How to play games on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the plus button at the bottom. After that, you'll find filters in the circle shape. Simply click on one of the filters. After that, at the bottom, click on View All Effects. After you've clicked on View All Effects, you'll find this kind of screen at the top. Scroll to the left and click on Games. Here you will find different games. Select the one you prefer. After you've selected the game you want to play, you can simply play without recording a video, or you can also play the game by recording the video. And this is how to play games on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.